Hi, boys. Whoa. Hi, boys and girls. Miss Lehman here for you today to do math. So today we're on chapter 9, lesson 6. It is page 667. This page is going to present us some challenges today, and we're just going to do the very best we can do because we don't have the pattern blocks. But it's more composite shapes. We worked on composite shapes yesterday. So this is how can I recognize two-dimensional shapes and equal shares. So it says put two pattern blocks together, trace the shape you made, draw a line to show your model. Now put those pattern blocks together in a different way, trace the new shape you made. So we could do a square with a triangle on top. And we could show that. Now we have to do it a different way. So we could do a square with a triangle on top. You could use a hexagon, you could use a trapezoid. Those are all perfectly acceptable too. All right, please turn the page. We are now on page 668. It says you can move pattern blocks around to make different composite shapes. So notice here you have a trapezoid and you have your triangle. And we can take this and move it to make a parallelogram. This full shape right here is called a parallelogram. But we can basically flip things around, and we've still used a trapezoid and a triangle. All right, let's look. It says circle the pattern blocks used to make the composite shape. Then use the same blocks to make a new shape. Draw your shape. So a rhombus and a trapezoid. So now we need to use a rhombus and a trapezoid in a different way. So I'm going to draw a trapezoid. And then I'm going to put the rhombus next to it. And we were able to make a different shape. I realize that this is not going to be perfect, but just do the very best that you can do. So when you get over to the pages where you're working on your own, it says use the pattern blocks shown to make the composite shape. So here you had 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Then use the same blocks to make a new shape. So you're going to take 4 triangles and make a new shape. Here you have 2 triangles and a rhombus. You're going to use 2 triangles and a rhombus to make a different shape. Look at this here. This is in the shape of a hexagon, but it's actually made up of a trapezoid, a triangle, and a rhombus. So now you're going to take a trapezoid, a triangle, and a rhombus and make a new shape of your own. When you are done with that, you'll go to page 670. It says Edgar is making different shapes using these 4 pattern blocks. Draw one of the shapes Edgar can make. So you could actually put them together and make 2 different rhombuses, and then you would have put those together to make another shape. So you can build with those 4 triangles to make a composite shape. The hot problem says Alex has a hexagon. He cuts it apart into a trapezoid and 3 triangles. Draw lines to show this. So how would we do this together? Well, we would draw our trapezoid and our 3 triangles. Boys and girls, just do the very best you can do with this. Please do not get frustrated. The main point is that composite shapes are shapes that are made up of more than one shape. So it's shapes combined. I hope this makes sense to you, and I hope that you have a wonderful afternoon.